Hello everyone, today I wanted to show you guys this hospital bed I got for my surgery. This is really cool bed. You have different options. You can see you can raise the head and the foot section individually. One of the best part, so if you just want to raise the head and you don't want the leg goes up, you can do that. So you have this remote control in your hand. You can just control the head goes up all the way. As you can see, it has a 75-degree angle, and you don't want the leg or you just want the leg as well, you can control it individually, or you can just press it down. That was my settings. I just put it down. So once you pull the head, it doesn't move, so it will stay where it's belong. And this is, but if you want to, let's say you want to move the leg along with the head, you have these two buttons, you can do that. And also you can see right now it is on the highest setting. I raise it all the way high, that is the maximum it goes. So you can press it down and you can see it goes down. It also operates pretty quiet. You hear the noise, but it's not really uh, annoying, or it would wake somebody if somebody's sleeping on it. So if that's the concern, the engines, the motors on it is just pretty quiet. As you can see, it can go all the way down pretty low, you can see, and from very high to really low, you can see it just went all the way down, which is good. And on the back of it you see all the wires and other stuff, and this is the control thing, and this is the remote. And the rail, you have rails here, you would just raise it and it just lock in place, and you can see it just uh, keep it. And it has good amount of height here, you can see here. So almost like entire my hand you can see from the rail. And the mattress is very firm, so you need to get used to that. It has really nice thick foam inside. Let me show you guys that. So once you open this, you can open this and you can wash it. You see you have this nice large foam inside, and on the bottom of it there is some sort of material. I'm not sure what it is, but that goes on the back, so you can just close it. And overall, that's, I think that's all I can talk about it. Also, you can easily move around. You have this nice large tires. It will allow you to lock here and unlock. Also, you have poles for the IV poles. You have four of them around, but you only get one pole with it. So that's how you use. All four corner has the hole, so you can place your IV stuff there. Overall, really good quality for the price point, and this was about 250 pound. It came in a really large box, and the box had a wooden like plywood inside to just protect the from damages. So it came in well packed package, so that was really good. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.